Hello everyone, my name is Meredith Gardner. I'm 23 years old. I was born and raised in Wilmington, Delaware. I've been here my whole life. I completed my undergrad at Wilmington University for criminal justice and I loved it there. I completed it all online, so I'm pretty familiar with the online experience. Um, as far as work experience goes, I've done just about everything. I've worked in a restaurant. I made pretzels at Indian Pretzels. I am currently a manager at a truck store and a title clerk there, and I love it there. I'm very happy. Experience in the field, I wouldn't say I've had direct experience as a social worker. I was in a pretty rough situation growing up, and I had a social worker, and I don't think I would have made it this far in life without her. I still talk to her to this day. In addition to that, I volunteer in all the Delaware state prisons. I teach a program through Victims Voices Heard called the Victim Impact Program. It kind of teaches inmates empathy. I'm sure we'll have a chance to get more into that later. I'm pretty excited to start at Widener. It's always been a dream of mine that has been a little too far out of reach, so I thought, but I decided to just go for it and apply, and here I am, and I'm really excited to work with everybody. Thanks for listening.